Ever felt like your money's stuck in a loop, sprinting from paycheck to bills and back again? What if I told you that while you're out there chasing your tail, there are ways to make your money work for you, even while you sleep? Let's dive into 5 passive income streams that could turn your financial life from a hamster wheel into a magic money tree. 1. Dividend stocks. The money pot that keeps on giving. Imagine planting a tree that grows dollar bills instead of leaves. That's what investing in dividend stocks feels like. You buy shares in solid companies, and they reward you with dividends. Here's the catch. You need to do your homework. Research companies with a history of stable or growing dividends. The initial effort: learning the market, investing wisely, and diversifying. Potential returns: well, they can be modest or quite lucrative depending on your choices. The long-term benefit: your money compounds, making you richer while you binge-watch your favorite series. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Your piece of the property key. You want real estate without the hassle of being a landlord? Welcome to crowdfunding. Here, you pool your money with others to invest in property. The initial effort involves finding the right platform and understanding the risks. But once you're in, the management is handled for you. Returns can vary, but expect anywhere from 5% to 12% annually. The long-term benefits: real estate tends to appreciate, and you're diversifying your income without the midnight calls about leaky pipes. 3. Create an online course. Your knowledge, their money. Got a skill or knowledge others crave? Turn it into an online course. The upfront work is substantial, creating quality content that educates and entertains. But once it's live, it's like setting a book on an infinite library shelf. You could earn from sales for years. Returns depend on your marketing prowess and the course's appeal, but imagine waking up to sales notifications from students around the world. Long-term, your course could become a legacy of learning, updating it occasionally to keep it fresh. 4. Write an ebook. Your words, their wallet. Everyone's a potential author in the digital age. Write about what you know or love. The initial effort: writing, editing, and marketing your book. But once it's published, it can sell indefinitely. Your earnings? They depend on how well you can sell your story or knowledge. Think of it as planting a garden where each book sold is like picking fresh fruit. The long-term benefit is that your ebook could become a reference in your field or a novel that readers revisit, earning you passive income for years. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Be the bank. Collect the interest. Why not be the bank for a change? With P2P lending, you lend money to individuals or small businesses through platforms online. The initial effort is in choosing your borrowers wisely to minimize risk. Returns? They can be quite attractive, often higher than traditional savings accounts. But remember, there's risk involved. Not all loans will be repaid. Long-term, as you grow your portfolio, this could become a steady income stream, diversifying your investment strategy beyond stocks or real estate. So there you have it, folks. 5 ways to make your money work like a busy bee, buzzing around, collecting nectar while you're out living your life. Each method requires some initial hustle, but the payoff? It could be the sweet taste of financial freedom, where your money isn't just waiting for you to spend it, it's actively growing more.